morning, honorable judges, dear friends and fellow enthusiasts of technology. I am candidate number 7. Today, we are going to talk about a topic, and that is AI. AI stands for the artificial intelligence. So, what is meant by the artificial thing? What is artificial intelligence? Artificial is the man-made thing. The chair, desk, bench, fan, this all are the artificial things. Even the mobile phones which we are using, that is also the artificial thing. So now, what is meant by the artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the intelligence of human, which is manipulated in the machines. For example, this is the panel. This is also the artificial thing. So here, we manipulate the human intelligence to program it, to work it. So that is the AI. AI is nothing but refers to the simulation of human intelligence in the machines, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and the language translation. As we stand at the forefront of this technological revolution, it is crucial to examine both the immense potential and the profound concerns that AI presents to our society. So, let us talk about the potential of AI. AI has increasingly important in various aspects of modern society due to revolutionize how we work, live, and interact. So, let us talk about that. Automation and efficiency. AI can enable the automation of repetitive tasks, this leading to increase in the efficiency, productivity of the various industries. This also allows the humans to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. AI also play a vital role in the decision making, that it can analyze the large amount of data quickly and make the data-driven decisions with the minimal human intervention. This is particularly capable in the valuable sectors such as finance, marketing, and the healthcare. Personalization. AI systems can user preferences and the behavior to personalize the experiences. This is evident in the recommendation system used by the streaming platform and the online retailers. AI is not only efficient in automation, decision making, and the personalization, but also an advancement in the healthcare. That AI is transforming in healthcare by improving the diagnostics, predicting the natural or the patient outcomes, assisting in the drug discovery, and AI algorithms can analyze the medical images, even performing the robotic surgeries. AI is also helpful in the customer service, that AI-powered chatbots and the virtual assistant can provide the instant customer support, handle the inquiries of the customers, streamlining the customer's interaction, overall improving the customer's satisfaction. AI in education and in gaming, that AI technology is used to personalize the learning experiences for the students, adapt the curriculum to the individual needs, also providing the virtual tutoring and the mentorship for the students. It is also used in the competitive exam, and in gaming it is used for the decision making. Next is the environmental impact, that AI is useful in the manage resources more efficiently, optimizing the energy consumption, and also in the predict the natural disasters, contributing to environmental sustainability. This is all about the potential of AI. AI has potential as well as the drawbacks and the challenges that need to be considered. Next. AI has also the concerns that are the job displacement. This is the most discussed concern, that AI may lead to the automation of jobs, potentially the displacement of the workers who perform the routine and repetitive tasks. This leading to the disproportionately affect to the certain industries or the job roles. Privacy concern, that AI can rely on the often vast amount of data to function effectively. The concerns arise how this data is collected, stored, and used, the potential for the breaches or the misuse of the sensitive information. Ethical dilemmas, that it is also the major concern that need to be considered. AI can raise the ethical complex questions such as autonomous vehicle making the life and death decisions, use of AI in the warfare, implication of AI in the decision making. This can possess the risk in the critical applications also. Last but not the least, the security risk, that AI is susceptible to adversarial attack where the inputs are manipulated to deceive the AI making incorrect decisions. This can also possess the risk in the cybersecurity and the recommendations system. This is all about the concerns of AI. AI has also the potential to transform the various industries and improving the quality of life. So, next, let me ask a question. Can AI work without us directing it? Obviously not. AI excels in the processing power, memory, and ethical or the specialized expertise in the specific domains. And the humans excels in the creativity, emotional intelligence, and the ethical reasoning. The relationship between these both is the complementary. The AI is work on programming which is based on the human ideas. So, the true power lie in the humans. At the end, I proudly say that mankind is the mother of AI.